when your trusty laptop starts acting less than reliable, and you're left scratching your head, unsure of how to solve the problem. Fear not. For today, we're delving into the process of diagnosing a faulty laptop, breaking it down into easy-to-follow steps. Imagine this as a journey of discovery, starting with identifying symptoms. Is the laptop not powering on, overheating, shutting down randomly, or perhaps making strange noises? These are the clues we need to start our investigation. Next, we move to the power source. Connect the laptop to a power outlet known to work well, and use a power adapter that's verified. A lack of power might point to issues with the adapter or the laptop's internal power components. Taking a thorough look at the laptop's exterior is the third step. Physical damage like cracks, dents, or loose components can often be the silent whistleblowers of internal issues. The fourth step takes us into the realm of sound. Power on the laptop and listen. Clicking, grinding, or whirring noises could be signifying problems with the hard drive, the cooling fan, or other internal components. Now we turn our attention to the display. If the laptop is on but the display isn't, try connecting an external monitor. This will help determine whether the screen or the graphics card is the culprit. Connectivity is up next. Test all the ports by connecting external devices. Non-functioning ports could indicate problems with the port itself or the motherboard. Software diagnostics come into play at step 7. Many laptops are equipped with built-in diagnostic tools that can help identify hardware issues. Running these diagnostics can uncover hardware failures or errors. Temperature monitoring is another crucial step. Excessive heat can lead to performance issues and even hardware damage. By using temperature monitoring software, you can check if the laptop is overheating. Keeping all drivers and operating system software up to date is our next step. Outdated drivers can be the root cause of various issues, including hardware malfunctions. Step 10 involves performing hardware tests on individual components like the RAM, hard drive, and CPU using specialized software or built-in diagnostic tools. This step can help pinpoint the exact source of the problem. Checking the battery health is also essential, especially if the laptop has a removable battery. A faulty battery can cause power-related issues, and diagnostic tools can help assess its health. However, if these steps don't lead to a resolution, or if disassembling the laptop is required, seeking help from a professional technician or contacting the manufacturer's support service is the best course of action. By following these steps, diagnosing a faulty laptop can become a less daunting task. Remember, every step is crucial and contributes to understanding what's going wrong. So, equip yourself with this knowledge and turn those laptop woes into a thing of the past. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to get in touch with SOFTLAND, the leading computer and IT solutions provider. With a team of dedicated professionals, SOFTLAND has earned a reputation for being a reliable solution provider for all your laptop issues. Their experts are always ready to guide you and provide the best possible solution. They specialize in diagnosing and resolving laptop issues of all kinds. With SOFTLAND, you're in safe hands. They'll help turn your laptop woes into a thing of the past. Please call 07570966780 or send email to support@softland.co.uk to get instant attention today.